Hi, I'm Kenton from Gung High School, and this is my second milestone. I am able to now control the tank wirelessly with the PS2 controller. So you can see. So you can see with different buttons on the PS2 controllers, I can control the motion of the tank. And in order to do that, there were two major parts I needed to solve. So first is the coding part. After I attach all the wires of this PS2 receiver onto the motor shell, I had to use the code that include the PS2 library that allows me to input the signals from the PS2 controllers into the motor shell. That part wasn't that hard after I figured out how to use the PS2 library. But after that, I encountered difficulty that I cannot control the motors using the motor shell while the motor shell is successfully receiving signals from the PS2 controller. After a few researches done, I figured that the problem was the motors I'm using are not included in the library that I was using, so I had to change it to the servo library in order to control the motors. And after I figured that out was the correct code, I was able to control the tank with the PS2 controller. And after that, I went on to solving the battery issue because I used to have two battery sources, one to power the Arduino board and the other one to power the motors. But I figured that I can just solder two wires onto the power jack, the voltage source, and the other one onto the power source for the Arduino board. So now I only need to have one battery pack, and I can power both the motors and the Arduino board at the same time. And in the future, for my next milestone, I will try to install a ultrasonic sensor and maybe even add LED lights onto the motor shield as the signal lights. Thank you.